Behind the scenes music Discord. I don't ever talk about this because I don't have a behind the scenes thing. I might use this channel more for that, but on my other channel, my music channel, I'll put that in the description if you don't already know what that is. I have a bunch of the Five Nights at Freddy's songs, and before I make any of them on the computer with this doohickey right here, my Akai, I write them out on the guitar. And, you know, I thought a minute ago, you know, I haven't played Open Up, the first one, the one that got me big. I haven't played that one on the guitar since I wrote it. So I'm wondering if I even still remember how to play it. I remember the opening chord was F. That's all I really remember, so I'm going to play through it and see if I can just remember it. But I thought it would be funny to get it on camera, see how many times I mess up. So why don't we start? It was F, I think. Alright. This one. Let's sing it, why not? When I was young, younger than now, I went to school like always. Took our bags, we took a trip to Freddy's Pizzeria. There was a sign, no frowns allowed, we passed through glowing doorways. The air was filled with not a care in our world, then I saw ya. Janitor said, "Come with me, got something cool to show ya." I followed him into the back where costumes lined the walls. There were 3 of us there, and we sat there and stared. The janitor took away our contented looks. He stopped and he pushed us into wireframe suits. He ran from the lot while he left us to rot.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. See the faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. Lock the doors and keep it shut, don't let them in no matter what. No power left in empty cup, don't let those doors open up.
We rotted in these cells, our souls never ascending. Our fragile bones had fused with steel and wires never ending. The others have long since forgot their roots in mortality. I still hold tight what's left of what once was my reality. Sit and I wait for a change of my fate. But the longer we stay brings longer dismay. And now we are here, after 30 odd years. We cry underneath rows of plaster frames beneath.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. See the faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. Lock the door and keep it shut, don't let them in no matter what. No power left, an empty cup, don't let those doors open up.
But I must admit that it is you, Mr. Schmidt, that brings back the pain that has kept us detained. I think of that day when my life was stripped away. The janitor here looks like you to me.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. I see the faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. I'm the one who took your lives, but it seems that you never died. I took this job to pay the bills, but this job might just get me killed.
pretty spot on. I mean, there was some little flukes at the beginning, but I know how to play this. This one's mine. I named it Discord. Because I'm a geek like that. Put it down. I try and keep music off this station, and apparently I try and keep videos off this station too, because I really neglect it. I want to start doing more stuff with this channel anyway. Why? I take off the hat. This is my character. I'm lifting you up. You're like a little baby to me. I'm going to put you on my lap. I'm probably going to end the video in a minute anyway. The light changed halfway through the video because my my monitor turned off. Look at this. Boink! I realized turning it back on, I'm like, I hope I don't have anything bad on the computer. Not that there are bad things on the computer, ever. Look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna flip you around. I can't do that mid-video. Never mind, I'm just gonna end this video here. Like and subscribe for more awesomeness, as I put in the description always. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. I said goodbye. I keep on missing the button. Look at this. Finger.